Welcome to Quiz Splash. Guess the restaurant from just 2 emojis. How many can you get right? Let's play. The answer is Burger King. Did you guess it right? That was Panda Express. The correct answer is Olive Garden. is Hardee's. It's Carl's Jr. That was IHOP. The answer is Raising Cane's. It's Ichiran. That was Sushi Zenmai. The answer is Shake Shack. It's Papa John's. That was Qdoba. The answer is Church's Chicken. It's Smash Burger. That was Hot Pot Buffet. Did you guess it? The answer is Biryani House.